Hi, I'm Ernie Peterson with King Electrical Manufacturing. I am the cable guy for King. And I'd like to talk to you about our self-regulating cable today and tell you a little bit about it. First of all, our cable comes in 3, 5, 8, and 10 watt versions. It comes at 120 volt, 240, 208, and 277. The cable is self-regulating, exactly what it sounds like. It's used, in this instance, for roof and gutter. The reason why you use it on a roof and gutter is so you don't create a ice dam. So what you want to do is you want to have a channel to take the ice and the snow and all the water that's formed, and it goes out and down away from the house, so you don't have any problems with your foundation or having the water back up into your building. So that's basically what it's used for. It's used on several different kinds of roofs, asphalt, composite shingles, or metal. It's not recommended to be used on wood roofs. Let's talk about another application that our self-regulating cable can be used for, which is pipe trace. Pipe trace is used to keep pipe from freezing. Simple as that. It's self-regulating cable. And I wanted to note also, 5 watt cable is also the standard in pipe trace and in roof and gutter. So it makes it real simple. Cable comes in spools of 50, 100, 250, 500, and 1,000 foot reels that you can cut and use all the appropriate fittings to make it work. It also comes in a product called SRP. It comes in 120 or 240 volt, and it comes in set lengths. It comes with a cold lead, a plug-in, or a connected cold lead, and the other end is terminated. Pipe trace is this product here. The nice thing about self-regulating on both roof and gutter and pipe trace is that you can cut it, it can overlap, you can do almost anything with it, and it continues to operate. I am going to say that in order to do any of these projects, it is recommended that you have a controller, which we're going to talk about next. King offers a bunch of different kinds of controllers. There again, I said it's really important for pipe trace and for roof and gutter that you have a control system. Because no matter what, even if it's 90 degrees, self-regulating cable, if it's not controlled with something, will continue to draw energy, and you're going to be surprised by your bill at the end of the year. So this is one of the controllers we use. It's a 30 amp contactor or 2 30 amp contactors. This particular unit has a sensor. The whole version of this is that it will not turn on the cable, and this is roof and gutter, by the way. This will not turn on the cable unless you have 2 things that are set. One is temperature from 36 to 38 degrees, and the second is a moisture. So it could be snow or it can be rain. If it's 38 degrees and raining, it will turn the system on. Or if it's snowing lightly, this has a little heater in the top of it. The snow hits it and melts it into water, and it's 38 degrees, will turn the system on. So what you're doing in essence is you're making sure that you're not going to form that ice dam, because if you wait until you have snow on the roof, it's too late for roof and gutter cable. What happens, it'll never turn on because the amp draw is so large you just won't get it to work. So it's really important, especially for roof and gutter, that you have a controller, and we have several different kinds like I mentioned before. So if you have any questions, make sure you give me a call, and you can ask for Ernie Peterson, the cable guy, and I'll do a layout for you and make sure you get the right components.